Hello, my beautiful people, Taekookers. Before we dive into today's mysterious update, let's talk about something really exciting. Taekook are training at the same gym again at Korea. Just recently, trainer named Masu posted a photo with Jungkook, revealing his new tattoo and captioned it, "Today is another Jungkook." And we all know this is the same trainer Taehyung's trained with. And we have seen multiples of the time Taekook are training together at the same gym with the same trainer. I mean, Taekook are getting really bulky and hotter day by day. Now let's get into the main topic. During Taehyung's recent Weverse live, which lasted about 19 minutes, fans noticed strange noises, almost like snoring, in the background. This sparked intense speculation. Was it Jungkook snoring again, or was it Taehyung himself? While some believe it was Jungkook because we have all heard his adorable snoring before, this time I personally think it was Taehyung's fake snoring, playfully pretending as if he was asleep. Let's hear this part.
써가지고 아무것도 없는 것보다는 이게 나을 네, 아무것도 없는 것보다는 이게 좀 더 나을 수 있을 것 같아서 그래서 이렇게라도 좀 오고 싶었어요.
But hey, theories are always fun. And knowing Taekook are back in South Korea, living and training together after traveling from the US, that's more than enough confirmation that they are spending quality time side by side together in Korea. Whether it was Jungkook or not, this kind of little detail always make our heart flutter. Taekook is private but never a secret, and very, very, very much real. So, Taekooker, let's keep loving them, supporting them, spreading positivity, and let's manifest that they will come on live together. Taekook on live together. I hope and I know it will happen very soon. So till then, let's be together. Subscribe, like, and share for more spicy Taekook updates, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. I love you all. Borahe.